In this video, we are going to review the Lille Baby Kangaroo. I have it right here. It is the complete all seasons baby carrier. This one in particular is a color stone, but they do have all different kinds of colors if you guys want to pick a different color. The reason we got this is because it does have that back support and it has the two strong straps and it has good padding. So when your baby, you can put them in there when they're newborn, but once they get bigger, it's going to be very hard on your back. So you definitely want to get something with back support like this. That way, it's not a strain and you're going to be able to carry them. And it even has a strap on the bottom. We're going to take it out. I'm going to show you guys what it is. Let's go over a couple of things that's on the box, then we'll take it out. Okay, so it does say it has the two-way adjustable strap, and that's important. Instead of just having it one way, you could actually strap it from the top and the bottom. It does have a detachable sleeping hood, and that's pretty cool because the hood, it actually acts like a sun protector, and also if they're sleeping, it's going to support their head and their neck. Definitely very important. You guys, it does have a zip pocket, so in case you want to put your phone or any valuables in there, you could actually zip it up. I do like that feature. You guys, so it's made for 6 different adjustable ways that you can actually wear it. There's 2 different from the front, and then you have so you have the infant, you have the newborn. You could actually have them facing forward. You could also have them on your back. So 6 different ways. I think that's pretty cool that you could do it different ways. That way, if you get tired of having them one way, you could actually flip them around and have them face forward so they're more interactive and they're able to see what's going on. So let me go ahead and open it up so you guys can check it out. It just has a strap on the top like this. And then we do have it right here. Okay, so that's what the box looks like, you guys. That's the bottom right there. And this is it. And that's the 6 different positions that I talked about a little bit earlier. That's them right there. So that is very cool that you can have them in different positions. Let's go ahead and open it up. As you guys can see, it does come with an instruction manual. We're going to put that off to the side for now. And this is it right here. You guys, this is very, very heavy duty. It does also have the mesh, but believe it or not, it is breathable, okay? You guys could take a look at it right there. Breathable mesh. Okay, let's flip it on the side. We do have one zipper all the way here at the top, okay? So that's the bottom right here. So it is a good size zipper. Let's close that back up. And then we do have these 2 zippers, and this is the mesh right here. Like I said, very breathable. And then this is actually covers the baby's head. So like I said, it's kind of like sunscreen, have it on there so they don't get sunburnt. And it's also so they could support their head when they're sleeping. That's if they're facing forward, if they're facing in. Okay, and it does also have different buttons, so different levels depending on how big your baby is. Let me close this back up real quick. Okay, we do have the brand name on the outside as well as on the inside here. And then we do have different buttons. You guys could button it up different ways, however you want it. And it also has straps and clips at the top, just like so. So you could actually support their neck this way as well. So we're just unbuttoning it and we're just clipping it right here, like so. Okay, so that's more head support for them right there. Let me turn it around and show you guys. So depending on which way you have it, if you guys have it on their back, this is going to be the front. It does have the major clip right here. And you guys, I just want to point out all the padding. Like, it's very nice padding. That way, depending if the babies, when they start to get heavy or not, it's not a strain on your shoulders. This is beautiful padding right there. I really do like the padding that they put into it. So let's clip this back on here. So let's say the baby is in the front, and then this is going to be on your back. So you could easily clip it and then just kind of put it on you right there. And then this is what I want to show you guys. Like, it's very, very much needed to support. There's a lot of kangaroos that are just kind of like strapped, and they don't have this back strap, this lumbar support right here. This is very, very important, and this is very sturdy, and it does have the clip right here. Okay, we could open it just like that, close it off, and then we could adjust it here, and then it has like a strap for the excess right there, excess strap. So Okay, now I want to show you guys what it looks like when somebody actually has this on and is wearing it. All right, you guys, so this is what the back looks like. So we do have the padding that's right here. So the clip, when this clip is on, you do have padding back there, and this clip is not like digging into your upper back. Okay, so this is a strap. This is strap number one. So when I said about it has double straps, so this is the one strap that it has right here that could tighten up, and then this is the other strap. So there's the two straps that I was talking about right here. Same thing on the other side, two straps. And then this is that lumbar lower back support. This is money right here, you guys. It keeps everything nice and tight, and you're not gonna be, you know, your lower back's not gonna be hurting with that. Okay, so this is the front. You guys are gonna have the baby right here. You guys could see that the baby could fit nice and perfect in the sack area right here. This is when you flip it up. We do have the clips right here. This is gonna support their neck and their head once they're facing forward right here. Okay, just like that. Baby's gonna be right here with the head facing forward. So let's take a look at the front. So the front, we do have the pocket. This is the pocket I told you guys about earlier. You can put your phone, whatever you need in there. Okay, that's the pouch. And then this is the support strap right here. It's kind of like a belt. It goes all along the top of your waist right there. And then we have the top pulled out. If your baby's sleeping, what it is you go ahead and put this on your baby, and then that's where their head's gonna be at, and they're gonna be facing inwards, and they're gonna be passed out. You guys, I definitely recommend this Kangaroo. It is nice, quality, good material. Definitely a good buy.